This is week 4 of Unit. This is your workbook that you will use to complete all of your work for the whole week. Let's first go over your assignments for each day. For today, Monday, you should use today to read through the article called Koala's Return Back to the Wild in Australia and create 2 annotations. You can choose to listen to the story if you'd like. Tuesday, you're going to use the slide provided to answer the function question about the article. You need a minimum of 3 sentences. Wednesday, you're going to be given another function question where you're also going to answer that and again 3 sentences or more. On Thursday, you are going to create your own function question. And finally, on Friday, you're going to answer your question using 3 complete sentences using proper punctuation and capital letters. On Monday, you can go ahead and click here to view the exhibition introduction from last week, or you can listen to Miss Elphick. This is just an option if you did not already listen to it last week. Then to today, here is the article. You can click on it and open the article itself, or you can listen to the article here as well. Or if you'd like to have this one open while you're listening, you may do that as well. That is your choice. Here is where you can record your 2 annotations that go along with the story. I've also selected a part of the passage brought out here that maybe you may want to write down annotations about. On Tuesday, here's a reminder of what a function question is. Function questions answer, how does it work, or everything has a purpose, a role, or a way of behaving which can be investigated. So you're going to answer the question, how were koalas helped during the wildfires? I have a sentence starter for you. People helped the koalas by. Make sure you complete this in 3 sentences or more. On Wednesday, your second function question is, why are koalas being released into the eucalyptic forest? Koalas are being released because. Remember to answer in 3 sentences or more. On Thursday, here is the article that you listened to. Remember, a function is the purpose, how something works, or what makes it function. So you may want to use one of the following sentence starters to help you in creating your own function question below. How important is blank? How do they work together? How do we use blank for? Why do we use blank? How or why does it blank? So examples are consequences, patterns, or impacts of something. So write your question down here. And finally, on Friday, you're going to answer your question from slide 9 that you created. So you're answering this form or this function question from Thursday. And when you're finished, be sure to turn in your workbook so that your teacher can see it.